Welcome back to Harley-Davidson Bike Update. Today we're talking about the 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong, a name that signals raw power, bold presence, and a no-compromise attitude toward modern American muscle. What is the King Kong? The King Kong is envisioned as a heavyweight Harley-Davidson concept that blends classic muscle cruiser DNA with an aggressive, modern stance. It's built around the idea of dominance on the street, in sound, and in attitude, pushing the brand's iconic toughness into 2025. Design and stance. Expect a massive, planted profile with a wide front end, muscular tank lines, and an unapologetically low stance. The King Kong aesthetic leans dark, industrial, and purpose-driven, less chrome, more intimidation, while staying unmistakably Harley. Power and performance philosophy. The King Kong theme centers on brutal torque and commanding acceleration. It's about effortless pull, a thunderous exhaust note, and confident handling that matches the bike's imposing presence. Power you feel immediately, not just read on a spec sheet. Technology and rider focus. Modern rider aids and connectivity are expected to complement the muscle. Think rider-focused tech that enhances control and confidence without diluting the raw riding experience, keeping the bike analog in spirit, modern in execution. Who it's for. The King Kong speaks to riders who want maximum presence and attitude, those who value strength, sound, and street authority. It's for riders who want their bike to make a statement before it even starts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong represents a bold vision of modern Harley muscle, big, aggressive, and unforgettable. If this name becomes reality, it's set to redefine what heavyweight American performance looks and feels like in 2025.